How to turn green messages to blue on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Messages application on your phone. You are now in the Messages page where you can view all your messages. Open any chat from here. Then, tap on the message box at the bottom. Type in any message and send it. As you can see, the text bubble color is green. Messages in green bubbles are standard text or multimedia messages sent via your cellular carrier. If you want to make it blue instead, then go back and open up the Settings application. Once you're here, scroll down and go to Apps. From here, tap on Messages. On this page, scroll down and turn on the iMessage switch as shown. Now, go back to the chat in the Messages app. Type a message and send it again. As you can see, the text bubble has now changed to blue. This means that this message has been seen via iMessage, which is a free service for iPhone users. Following these steps, you can easily turn green messages to blue on iPhone.